window vacuum cleaner. Let's see what we get in the box. Well, we have a day of lovely weather in Ireland, but anyways, the boss told me to get her a window vacuum cleaner or something like that in Lidl, so I'm gonna drive there with my small one and get it. Well, we are in front of Lidl and we got it. Let's go home. They told me to get one of them a window vacuum cleaner in Lidl, and so I did. So here it is. Let's see what we get in the box. This is the box. Let's get it open. So that's the receipt from Lidl, 48 quid for it. Okay, I misread the price. It was 40 quid, not 48. For the box we are getting one mains charger for the device, black, nothing exceptionally special. One small plastic bottle / handle for the window washer, one microfiber cloth for cleaning the vacuum sucker and window corners, two cleaning pads for the window washer, one window washer with spray bottle in the handle, our window vacuum cleaner and vacuum cleaner window sucker, and loads of manuals. Microfiber cloth and window cleaner pads seems to be made from good quality materials. Our window vacuum cleaner sucker nozzle seems to be made from good quality rubber and probably ABS. So the whole set is actually made from good quality plastic. It looks very strong and it should work for many years. Hopefully. Our window cleaner, as I probably said just a couple of seconds ago, is made from the same material as the rest of the set. It has a small bottle in the handle where you can load your washing liquid so you can spray it while washing the window. You're gonna get two pads for it and they are very easy to change, and this is our main body of the device with the blue water tank where you're going to suck your water in. The sucker nozzle is easy to attach, and as you can see, you have a joint here, so you should find a good position to use this very device. So I think it is time to start it for the first time. The manual for the device is quite massive in many different languages, as you can see here, but the most important part is just remember to charge the device before the first use, probably to extend the battery life, and more or less that's it. There are two additional manuals, one for spray washer. Does it really need a manual? Don't think so. And the other one is a recycling manual, so if you want to throw the device away, you have to read this piece of paper and then you'll know what to do. Shortly after reading all of the complicated manuals, I gave the device to the expert so she could work with it for a while and then tell me how good the device actually is. But I got bored quite quickly. Anyway, she said that the device is very good, and here you can see the water tank with the water collected from our shower. This is how you remove the water from the water tank. You saw this Vileda window vacuum cleaner in action, and now let me give you some details about this device. So this is the main body of the device, and it comes in more or less 3, maybe 4 parts. So this is our water tank. You can open it and remove the water that you just hoovered or vacuumed from your windows. This is the nozzle. This window vacuum cleaner is made from good quality materials. And this is the main body of the device with the battery inside. It should work for around 40 minutes on one charge, and it takes around 3.5 hours to charge the device. Everything fits perfectly fine, so it is a good quality device. This is our sponge with the spray handle, so you can load your cleaning liquid here and you just spray it on the glass and then you wash it with the spongy. The sponge is very easy to change, and then you can wash it separately and then stick it back to the device. And in the set you're going to get one microfiber spongy thing for cleaning or drying the windows if you really need it. Let's see a bit more of the cleaning action. So as I said before, we have our window cleaner with the spongy thing or a cleaning pad. You just spray your washing liquid, and in general we use simply vinegar instead of any other chemicals. Vinegar is very good in cleaning windows, but anyways, you can see that the window is being cleaned with washing liquid actually this time. So it takes just a minute, and then you use your window vacuum cleaner to suck all the water left over on the window, and window should be nice and clean, at least from one side. I had a go again because I just wanted to check the device myself, so I went outside and I cleaned the windows from the other side of the house. And I have to say that I'm not very good in cleaning windows. This is actually the first time I do it in my life, but the device is actually quite easy to use. It is light, seems to be fully operational for this probably 40 minutes. We'll see how the batteries will last in future. I don't know what type of batteries do we have inside, but if you ask me in about 6, maybe 10 months when they got used, I will check it, I will disassemble the device, and then I'll be able to tell you what sort of batteries, whether they are cadmium batteries or lithium-ion batteries inside, so you'll have simply more knowledge about this device. Remember that in future Lidl and probably Aldi will have similar devices. They are going to look a bit different, but actually they are going to be the same device, just in a new body, as you can see in this very motion picture. And as I promised, I am washing, well, at least 2 of our windows. I've never done it before. I have to tell you that it is quite interesting. Well, no, it is not interesting, but if you're really bored, you can wash your own windows. Just remember about safety. For one of the windows I used a window cleaner that was still stored in the handle of a window washer, and then I sucked the water with the vacuum cleaner. Then I washed the other window with vinegar, as vinegar is much cheaper and, in my less than humble opinion, much better. I got really relaxed while washing the windows, but that's it, I'm not gonna wash them again. The same or very similar devices are available on both Amazon UK and Amazon.com. So if you want to get one of them, use one of the affiliated links below. I got you some expensive devices and cheaper devices than the one that I got in Lidl. And remember that on Amazon you can get them whenever you want, and in Lidl or Aldi they are being sold just for 1, maybe 2 weeks per year. In general, my GF is very happy with the device, but it was 40 quid, so in my less than humble opinion, just a fun and couple of batteries inside, too dear, too expensive, so 80 out of 100. And let's see her in action again, okay? One is happy, and the funnest thing is that the small one got interested in cleaning the windows herself. The other thing that I was told is that it is much quicker using this device than regular devices that are used for cleaning windows, and I don't actually know what do you use on a regular basis to clean the windows. But anyways, and we are going to use it every time after taking the shower, so we are going to suck the water from the shower windows or screens, however you call them, to get them dry, and hopefully we will not get stains on them. Just to sum it up at the very end, all of the elements of the set are made from good quality materials, well, maybe apart from the bottle used for the handle in the window washer. I would suggest that it would be handy and smart if we got sort of a pole for the window washer and the window vacuum cleaner, because sometimes, you know, windows can be quite tall, so if you're not the tallest person, it would be simply handy to extend your hand. About extension poles, I found the exactly same set on Amazon with poles for both washer and the vacuum cleaner, but they are extremely expensive. They want 100 quid for it, so I think it's cheaper to make it on your own. Well, if you are a rich person, you can always buy it, but in my less than humble opinion, it's cheaper to make such a pole on your own. I will try to find you some spare parts for the set, so if you run out of the parts or if something goes badly wrong, you'll be able to buy a replacement on Amazon, but I will have to find the links later on. Well, more or less that's it for today. Remember about watching some other of my videos, one here, one here, one here, and don't forget about subscribing by clicking my face here. Bye bye!